I don't remember what I was drinking last night, but this is definitely NOT Vegas. I'm in Strasbourg, France, and according to this random guy I just scared, it's July 1518. That's 500 years before I was even born. And is this some kind of street performance? Because she is really committing to the character. Look at her feet. Oh wait, those are real cuts. This is not a performance. They're all doing the same thing. They're not stopping. Some of them look like they're crying, but they can't stop moving. Guys, this is creepy. Sir, what is happening? Who are these people?
Plague?
That's the treatment? That's insane. That's literally insane. Okay, so, history lesson for those of you watching. In 1518, Strasbourg had a dancing plague. Literally, oh no, even the priest is dancing. If the guy who talks to God can't stop, what chance do I have? I have to get out of here. I don't know where I'm going, but I can't be there. I can't be anywhere near whatever is happening. My legs are... Okay, I'm safe. For now. The dancing can't reach me in here, right? My time travel device is on and I'm running out of everything. A battery thing. 1% battery. My time travel device is on 1% and I'm running out of everything, battery, patience, and my will to not dance. Okay, I need a miracle.
Oh no! No! He followed me! He found me! I am not gonna be a cautionary tale about a time traveler who died of exhaustion by dancing.
If you want to see if Zara makes it out of here alive, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell because things are about to get a lot weirder and you won't want to miss the next one. I promise.
Oh no! No! He followed me! He found me! I am not going to be a cautionary tale about a time traveler who died of exhaustion by dancing. I don't know how long I can keep this up. My legs are burning. I can hear music in my head that isn't there. I swear to God, if I start dancing, I'm gonna lose my mind.
I saw a woman drop dead. In the street.
And just like that, I'm back. 2025, I'm sitting in a Starbucks in Brooklyn. Everything smells like coffee and overpriced pastries, and I've never been happier.
History is not what they taught you in school. It's messy, it's terrifying, and it's full of real people who are just as confused and scared as we would be. We're just as confused and scared as we would be. But it's
Now
also
I want to ask Yo-You, if you could travel to any historical event, Hess, just to do you watch, not to change, what would it be? The first moon landing?
And speaking of weird history, next time we're going to Australia, where the military lost a war against birds. I'm serious. We'll find out why emus are the most dangerous opponents in history. See you there. Bye.